brushless motor drone set. This is an amazing, great, high quality drone. It comes easy with a great store and go case. Control, 90-degree adjustable camera, FPV camera with 4K resolution. So you have an ultra great 90-degree adjustable camera, 360-degree photography, 40-minute flight time with one charge. You do get 2 batteries, so you have a backup battery ready to go with each use. You get a range loss alert, so if you are flying and get within outer range, it will give you an alert so you can bring it back and not lose your drone. We love this indoor and outdoor. We use it indoors as well for fun obstacles, and it's fun over and over. Altitude hold option, so you can get to the right altitude that you want and it will hold and stay in place. I love that this is app controlled, and 40-minute runtime is great for a long-lasting, fun drone excitement. You can use this over and over. I absolutely love this. It's small, compact as well, with a great store and go case. Great for kids, family, adults, great family time. We absolutely love how fun this is to use together. We think this is absolutely amazing. Give it as a gift for Christmas or birthdays. So fun for everyone. Great grab and go case. This is also beginner friendly. If you're like my family and new to drones, it's a great learning drone for your family. Overall, this is an amazing set. Double the battery life, remote control, app controlled, brushless motor, so easy and friendly for beginners. It has great camera video control, and I love how the experience is and how fun this is for my family. So I absolutely love this set, and you will too.